Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this VANNANBA. I probably didn't pronounce it right, but it's a smart wallet. Ooh, it looks sleek. I love minimalistic, sleek items. So let's check this out. Is this gonna be my next new favorite wallet? Let's find out. Oh yeah. Oh yes, my friends, check this out. So this is our wallet now. You guys see that design? Yeah, my friends, check this out. This is the new wallet. That's awesome. So you have your money clip holder right here. So that's what this metal piece is for. You have, well, let's show you guys. So you got the money clip, you have a spot for a card in here. However, that money clip does put a lot of pressure down in, so you don't want to put any card in here of importance. There's also another spot for a card that's right behind the money clip, which that also puts pressure, so it might be a little hard to get that out. You also do have a spot on the side here that doesn't get any pressure from the money clip. So you have that. You also have another spot right in here. However, that is very tight, very tight in there. So that's going to be a problem. In here, you can put your license. So that just slides right inside here. As you guys can see, there's also another spot off to the side. So right through here, you guys can put a card in through there. You can put a card in from the top side as well. You can put another card in from the top as well. And then you have this fast, I believe that's what this is. All right, so on the back, you can also place a card on the back there. So like your license or something. So there's a lot of spots for a lot of cards. So if you have a card in the back there, there's this little finger spot that you can actually push in to push that card out if you need to. Oh, this is just a certificate of authenticity. Interesting. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this wallet having money in. So when you put money in, you put it in folded like this, and it holds it perfectly in place. Overall guys, I absolutely love this wallet. It's nice, sleek design. Yeah, at first I wasn't sure, but once I learned the money clip, yeah, I like it a lot. Definitely like it a lot.